Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit an HTML file using Notepad++. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Go to the File menu and click New. Now type your HTML code into the editor. For a basic example, start with the HTML structure, including the HTML, head, title, and body sections. Inside the body section, you can add a heading and a paragraph. For example, you can create a heading that says Hello World and add a simple paragraph below it. Once you have entered your HTML code, it's time to save the file. Go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save your HTML file. For the file name, type index.html. If needed, select all types from the Save as Type option, then click Save. Your HTML file is now saved. Now you can edit the HTML code directly in Notepad++. Click inside the code and place your cursor where you want to make a change. You can change the title, heading, paragraph, or other text in the HTML code. For example, change the heading to a different text and update the paragraph with your own content. After making your changes, press Ctrl and S together to save the file. The updated HTML code is now saved. To see the result, open the HTML file in a web browser. The browser will display the web page based on your HTML code. If you make another change in Notepad++, save the file again and refresh the browser to see the latest changes. You can continue using this simple process to create and edit HTML web pages. Notepad++ is lightweight and easy to use, making it useful for beginners who are learning HTML. And that's how you can edit HTML in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Notepad++ tutorials.